Hey guys! Samsung has launched two videos that act as a tour of impending One UI 4.0 software upgrade in preparation of its release. For the time being, One UI 4 is still in beta testing, but we should be getting near an official release soon. Samsung begins by thanking all of its customers, adding that it listened to their feedback and takes it into account while developing One UI 4. The first set of enhancements all revolve around the system colors. This is the fourth version of Samsung's One UI OS, which was released in 2018. Samsung has been working hard to improve the user interface year by year in order to make users' life easier and smoother. Now back to the 4.0 UI. Similar colors are now grouped together, making the interface more straightforward and easier to use. Samsung goes even deeper into this subject, allowing you more control over the visual elements of One UI. Material design in Android 12. You have also found a home in One UI 4, which uses your wallpaper to generate dynamic themes. The widgets, which have always been an improvement element of the Android experience, are the next update Samsung mentioned. All widgets, whether first party or third party, have a new design in One UI 4 with rounded corners. The dark mode is now available for all programs icon as well as widgets. Even better, you can now toggle to the extra dim option for even lower screen brightness. You may now choose the size of the picture-in-picture window, which is a more practical upgrade. The quick panel receives some love as well and has been rearranged. The option to control your audio source from the lock screen is another improvement additional. Some of you also be pleased to learn that while dragging and pasting text, the cursor is not translucent. A new way to expressing yourself by sticking emojis, or emoji pairs as Samsung calls it, isn't as practical as others, but it's worth mentioning. Some new Halloween bit emojis are also hinted at in a similar vein. Furthermore, the new OS promises new haptics and sounds to provide you with that oh so pleasant input when using your phone. Apart from that, if you are wondering if the camera app will be improved, the remaster picture option now allows you to deblur photos. The operating system is still in beta, but when Samsung releases it, it will be more advanced. Let me know what do you think about these changes in comment area below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.